Alright, let's go.
Hi, so in today's video I'm doing another wig review for you guys. This one is provided by, you already know, SAMSBEAUTY. Okay, when I seen this wig, I thought that it was really cute, really gorgeous, just like very it's a lot less relaxed than the usual like swoop bang wigs that I go for. So I feel like if you want one of these type of wigs without all the volume up top and just, you know, kind of chilled out a little bit, I feel like this one's a good one. But let me go ahead and get into the name of the wig, what it is, what it's from, you know. Okay, so this one is a Freetress equal wig. I love Freetress equal wigs. I feel like they're really good. So this one is from the V-shaped Deluxe lace front collection, and it is the style V-003 or 003 in the color SOP 26613, and the available colors that it comes in is or are 1, 1B, 2, 4, OP 430, 530, 1B 53, VI, SOP 20503, SOP 22613, SOP 23415, and SOP 2663, which is what I have. I was actually looking at two colors with this wig that I was really interested in, which is this one that I have now, just like a very nice blonde. You know, it's a cute little 613, but it's not like too yellow. It's kind of like as if it was like toned down a little bit. There is definitely still some yellow in it, but it's not as intense as some other 613s I've had personally. But here are some of the other colors that they have. This is what I really love about Freetress equal, is they usually show a few of different colors and they have in their collections that they usually showcase. So I really like that. They have like this like plummy burgundy type of color. They have the one that I was looking at, which is like an orangey type of color. I really would have loved that one, what I have now. And then they have like it's like a purple tint to it, like purple ends. You can definitely see it's where it ends, but it kind of like goes into like an ombre. Yeah, so this is like another take on their luxury premium collection that they had out like a few years ago, maybe 1 or 2. So I actually didn't look at the inside, like the construction. I mean, I know that there's 2 combs and adjustable straps, as you know, most of the wigs from this collection will have. So it does have 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. I didn't look at the lace though. That's what I should have looked at. I'll look at it after this video, after I'm done with the review. So they have the washing instructions on the back, some maintenance tips. Yeah, so they have like washing tips for if you wanted to make the wig last a little longer. This is a really good style and I could see it lasting pretty long. I could see it maybe tangling up a little bit toward the inside, which, you know, wouldn't be too hard to fix. Just layer it a little bit. But I don't think it'll actually be too bad because the density of the wig isn't super thick. It's not thin at all whatsoever. It's just full. Like it's like a very full density. It doesn't really have much volume up top. It's definitely not flat though. So it's pretty good in that sense. Like I was saying, like if you want one of these wigs that kind of have this bang right here, but you don't really think that you'll want like a really big volumized one, I feel like this one would be a really good one. Let's talk about this length. So this wig is really long, which I am loving. Okay, I feel like it's fabulous. Okay, I feel like it's really cute. I want to say that it's like 24 to 26 inches stretched, about a 26 to possibly 28. It's a very long wig. I have clips from the styling portion, which actually, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all now because I don't think it'll be a separate video or anything, and I don't really know when else to put it in. So here you go.
Call me on my cell phone, late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone.
Let's go ahead and get into the technical stuff, okay? I really love this color. This color is like gorgeous to me. Like it's like a very cute balayage blonde. It looks like it's just been professionally done. actually looks just really good. Like, girl. Like I said, it almost looks as if like they were going for like a toned down blonde. It just makes you good. There's like different shades of blonde in it too. The more warmer ones, toned down ones. In like the transition, there's like an ashy brownie type of color in between. I don't really know if you can see it, but I want to talk about how well this hair brushed out too. Like when you seen the part when I was styling the hair, I first finger combed it to see how it would look. Then I combed it with a wide tooth comb to see how it looked. But then when I took that brush to it, girl, oh my god, like I was just like, oh, okay. Girl, give it to me. So I really like the fluffiness of it after I brushed it. I was just happy with it. I was just like, girl, yes. I can see just like whenever you just like first brush it, you just go and you want to take some pictures, you walk outside, it's just gonna look really good. It's gonna look like you spent hundreds to get this look, but you did. You probably spent under $50. I don't actually know the price right now, but of course I'll link down below. It's just like really cute. It's expensive looking, it's bougie looking. If this is what, hey, look, okay, if you're looking for some bougie hair, this is it right here. We got inches, we got effortless curls, honey. We got the swoop, honey. We got the swoop. We got the balayage color. Yeah, I feel like this is like a really bougie wig. And y'all already know that that's gonna be the title of this video. Tangling, like I said, right now the tangling isn't too bad, but I can see it tangling in the future just because it is so long and it is full. It's not thin at all, and you know, it kind of has that feel that you might, you know, expect some tangling later on, which is fine. That's cool. It is synthetic. Shedding, I am getting a little bit of shedding. I only cut like a little bit from the hairline when I first cut the lace off, but I was just, you know, brushing through the hair a lot, so I feel like I got all of the hair out from that. So I do feel like this wig will shed a little bit on you. I will say that about some Freetress equal wigs, some of them do shed, but that's all, you know, preference. If shedding really bothers you, then you know. But right now it isn't super bad whatsoever, and I definitely think that you could last, you know, maybe a week or 2 to 3 weeks before it's just kind of like getting a little pricey. Oh, I just really like this color. Okay, I love it. Okay, okay, I love this right here. The hair to the back behind the ear, and then the little hair to the front. I love that. And if my edges was done too. The luster, it's not shiny at all. Very natural luster. The texture of the hair is yaki, and it's not silky, which, you know, I'm loving. Me, a yaki texture with, you know, this blonde. I feel like it's just really cute, natural looking. I don't really know if this style is natural, but it's not. But, you know, I feel like it's really cute, bougie, like, you know, very classic look right here. I usually prefer my parts to be on this side though, if I am gonna have a side part, because my nose ring is right here, and I kind of like to, you know, show that off. Plus this is my good side of my face, like when I take pictures, so that's just me, like, telling y'all my preference though. So I mean, it's not really helpful information at all. But yeah, the part is on the left side of the head, if you wanted to know that. Yeah, that's pretty much it though, y'all. If y'all have any questions, make sure y'all comment down below, and I will get back to you as fast as I can. Make sure y'all check out Sam's Beauty. Y'all already know Sam's Beauty got the hook up, okay? Make sure y'all check out their Instagram and their websites. And make sure y'all check out my Instagram too, you know what I'm saying? Follow me on Snapchat, and y'all can see the behind the scenes of these videos, okay? Y'all may as well just go ahead and follow me. I know you want to. That is pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!